If you want a veined and attractive hand, this video is for you. Repeat with me now to see a live result. Move your thumb to your palm, then open and close your hand. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. You can help me a lot just by liking. Thank you for your like. Move your hands up and down like in the video. 30 seconds is enough. Place your hands on your chest, then make a fist and open it. 30 seconds is perfect for this exercise. I read all the comments and will reply. So if you have any comments or questions, write me in the comments. The last step. This exercise is very simple. Just put your fingers together and then slowly, bring your forearms closer together. Like the previous exercises, this exercise is 30 seconds. Now is the time for recovery. Just hold your arm and relax your hand. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. Let's go to see the live result. The result is very clear, so do it. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.